I'm Robin Clevitt. Welcome to the 101 uses of a multi-tool. Now I've taken it out on site. I'm doing a soft strip out of a refurb, which basically means I'm going around checking everything before the guys come in and tear it to pieces, because there are some hazards. And in this case, I've got pipes which have still got a lot of water in them running through skirting boards. I need to remove that skirting board, or at least put a cut in, so when the guys come in, rip it all out, they're not going to flood the place too early. So for this job, I'm going to use a Starlock Purple Series. It's an extra long life. It's 44 millimeters wide and it's perfect for wood, which may have screws or nails in it. This will give me a nice straight cut out of the way of those pipes. So these pipes here have been drilled through the skirting and fed through after the skirting was fitted. When the guys come in, if they tried to pull this off at the moment, the chances are they may damage the pipes. They're still full of water, full of pressure. We've arrived before the plumbers. So this is where I'm going to just put a safe cut here. When the guys pull that off, they can remove this piece then without any damage to those pipes. So the versatility of a multi-tool for going around site, looking for hazards, making a cut here, making a cut there is fabulous. And these Purple Series blades from Smart are super for that, because they'll tackle wood, nails and screws.